Today we're making insanely delicious lacy pumpkin crepes with yeast. I'll share all the secrets and we'll even make a few with cheese. They turn out so good. My husband said they taste like cake. We'll need 600 grams of pumpkin. Peel it and cut into slices. Then chop it into large cubes. Place them in a pot and pour in enough water to cover the pumpkin completely. Put it on the stove, add 1 teaspoon of salt and cook for about 15 minutes covered until tender. Grate 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. We'll need it later for the filling. The pumpkin is ready. While it's still hot, mash it with an immersion blender until smooth. You can also use a regular masher. Just make sure there are no lumps. Transfer the puree into a large bowl. From the total amount, take 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree into a small bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of flour. If the mixture is too thick, add 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix well. The cocoa will give this part of the batter a dark color, perfect for creating pretty patterns when we cook the crepes. Put this dark batter into a disposable piping bag and set it aside for later. Now back to the main pumpkin puree. Add 4 eggs. I've got double yolk ones today, so I'm using just 2. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, pumpkin is already sweet, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix the eggs with sugar and pumpkin until smooth. Pour in 400 milliliters of warm milk and mix again. Add 80 milliliters of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Stir everything well for about 2 minutes. Now gradually add 220 to 250 grams of flour, just until the batter looks like thick cream. Cover with plastic wrap and leave in a warm place for 40 minutes. Time flies. Look how bubbly the batter has become. It's alive and airy. Let's move to the pan. Lightly grease a hot pan with vegetable oil. Cut off the tip of the piping bag and start drawing any patterns you like. Stay with me. Things are about to get creative. Let the pattern set slightly, then pour the regular batter over it. This batter is light and foamy, so easy to work with. When the edges turn golden, flip the crepe. Look at that. The first one came out so beautiful. Now I'm making a smiley face. If you cook these with kids, they love it. I had such a great time making these. It's honestly relaxing. The edges lift easily, so it's time to flip. Now I'll draw candy, or maybe a bow, depends on what you see. Pour the batter over again. It holds its shape perfectly. Cook on slightly above medium heat. They cook really fast. You can brush them with melted butter if you like. Let your imagination guide you. Draw anything you want. Here's a little car. The batter is just amazing, so smooth and elastic. Stack them up in a pile. Before pouring the next one, make sure the pan is nice and hot again. To keep it silky, remember to mix it well each time. And here's our next crepe. You've probably noticed crepes shrink a bit while frying. That's just moisture evaporating. Don't add too much sugar or they'll brown too fast. And here's the last flip. Looks like a sunny golden pancake. And best of all, they're pumpkin crepes. Finally, our beautiful lacy holy crepes are ready. As always, you can serve them with jam, honey, condensed milk, sour cream, or go savory with salted fish or caviar. I'll roll a few with cheese and melt them in the microwave. That gooey mozzarella makes them extra tender and creamy inside. The crepes came out soft, airy and full of aroma, with a gentle pumpkin flavor and a lovely golden color. They're tender inside with a delicate crust outside and not dry at all. The melted mozzarella adds that perfect creamy touch. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye!